So you've got some black smoke coming from your engine. It could be a couple of possible causes. The first thing to check obviously is your air filter. This is your air filter here, and this is your air filter element. That one there, it's got some oil on it. That could cause air starvation and cause your engine to blow black smoke. The other option, it could be your choke on these machines. Your choke could be stuck on the on position. Your cable could be seized. There could be a broken cable. It could be something like that, which is then giving you such a high rich mixture, you're going to get black smoke all the time. That's the simple thing it could be. Choke or an air filter. We'll stick a new air filter in this one. And that's it.